Hey guys, my name is Amit and you're watching Aptitude 360.online. The problems that I'm trying to talk about here is number of zeros at the end of any number or product of numbers. And this concept is way too simple. And you know what, this gets utilized in almost all the competitive examinations, you name it, beat CAT, beat GMAT, beat SSC, banking, UPSC prelims. It is utilized in almost all the competitive examination, and icing on the cake is this is so simple to understand. Within 10 minutes you can understand this particular topic, right? So people consider this to be very difficult and say that 25 factorial minus 24 factorial, do I have to solve it all and then find out number of zeros? And I say you don't even have to do all of it, right? So pay attention for 10 minutes and this concept is going to be all yours. Now when I say number of zeros, what is that I'm trying to say? You know, you see this, if you do the prime factorization of 10, if you do the prime factorization of 10, that's going to be 2 into 5, isn't it 2 into 5. And if you do the prime factorization of 20, do it on your own. I would like you to do the prime factorization of 20 and then 30 and then 40. Now let's slow it down because we have to understand it very well. 10, everybody knows, is 2 into 5. If you do the prime factorization of 20, what is that I'm trying to say? Prime factorization is you start with 2 here, 2 से शुरू करते हो आप, फिर कौन सा नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर आता है, 3 आता है, फिर 5 आता है, फिर 7 आता है. दैट इज हाउ यू डू इट. सो इफ आई डू दिस, सो दिस इज गोना बी 10 एंड फर्दर इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 and I'll be doing it one more time. So this is going to be nothing but, can I say that 20 factorial is, sorry, prime factorization of 20 is this. So prime factorization of 20 comes out as 2 to the power 2 and 5 is to the power 1. Similarly, if you do the prime factorization of 30, you will realize that this is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5, right? If you do the prime factorization of 40, you will come to know that this is 2 to the power 3 into 5 is to the power 1. Or prime factorization of 50 is going to be 2 to the power 2, 2 is to the power 1, 2 is to the power 1 and 5 is to the power 2. So what is that I'm trying to make you understand is, in order to get 1 0, you need to have 1 2 and 1 5. There has to be a pair of 2 and 5. If you don't get the pair of 2 and 5, there will be no 0. So for each and every pair of 2 and 5, you get exactly 1 0. Now, and how do you do that? You understand by doing the prime factorization. Only then you realize how many 2s are there, how many 5s are there, how many 3s are there, isn't it? ध्यान से देखना इस कॉन्सेप्ट को. अगर 10 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया तो 2 और 5 मिला, 2 and 5. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, 2 और 5 का कितना पेयर बना, सिर्फ एक पेयर बना. अगर आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करोगे 20 का, तो दैट इज गोना बी 2 2s. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 2s to the power 2? The meaning of 2s to the power 2 out here is, it is 2 into 5, isn't it? So how many pairs are we having? We have got exactly 1 pair. So how many zeros are going to be there at the end of 20? It is going to be exactly 1. Similarly, in the case of 30, do the prime factorization. You got 2 into 3 into 5, right? 2 into 2 and 5. You got 1 pair and hence you have got 1 0. Similarly, in 40, I have written 2 is to the power 3, 2 is to the power 3 over here, and 5 is to the power 1. So that means 2 is to the power 3 is this. So how many 2s I have? I have got 3 2s, but how many 5s do I have? Exactly 1. Is that okay? तो जब आपके पास में 2 और 5 का पेयर, तो कितना बना? पेयर तो सिर्फ एक ही बना. Do you understand this? अगर पेयर एक ही बना तो 0 कितने बनेंगे? 0 भी तो सिर्फ एक ही बनेगा. And now come over here 50. 50 also has got 1 2 5s, but how many pairs of 2 and 5 are there? You got exactly 1 pair of 2 and 5. Now go ahead, if you understand this concept that you need 2 and 5, 1 2 and 1 5 to make the pair of, to make 1 0. What if I say this? What if I say 100? If you do the prime factorization of 100, that is going to be 2 is to the power 2 and 5 is to the power 2. Please do it on your own. And if I do the prime factorization of 1000, that is going to be 2 is to the power 3 and 5 is to the power 3. And if I do for 10,000, that's gonna be 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. Do you understand what is that I'm trying to say? Why is that I am having two zeros? Why is that I am having two zeros when I'm talking about 100? Because I have got two 2's and I have got two 5's. Similarly, in the case of 1000, we have got three 2's and we have got three 5's. Is that okay? In the case of 10,000, we have got four 2's and four 5's, and hence we have got these many zeros out here. Pair of 2 and 5's will decide as to how many zeros are there. Now, one more simple thing so that you understand what is that I am trying to say is, say for example, there is a number and this number is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 8. Now you do the prime factorization of the number and this is what you are getting. अब अगर ये मिल गया तो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा कि भाई इस नंबर के लास्ट में कितने सारे जीरो होंगे. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस, व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नंबर ऑफ जीरोस, आप बाकी प्राइम नंबर्स के बारे में बात तो मत ही करो. यानी ये तो गया, तो हमारे पास में बच गया यहाँ पे 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 8. नाउ वी लुक फॉर पेयर्स ऑफ 2 and 5. अब आप देखो ना यहाँ पे 2 कितने हैं, 2 तो है सिर्फ 3 और 5 कितने हैं 8, लेकिन पेयर कितने बने, पेयर तो सिर्फ 3 ही बने. So how many zeros are going to be there? There will be only 3 zeros at the end of this very huge number, and that we can find out without much efforts. Is that okay? And if you understand this thing, I would like to go ahead with some problems that are very simple in nature. What is that we have understood? We need 2 and 5 to make 1 0, right? Over here, when you do the prime factorization of 23 is a prime number, so you cannot factorize it further. प्राइम नंबर होने की वजह से तो आप इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर पाओगे, बट 25 का क्या कर सकते हो, 5 into 5. So how many 5's do we have? We have got 2 5's. But how many 2's we have? We have got none. कुछ भी, जब 2 है ही नहीं है तो वहां पे जीरो बनेगा कैसे, isn't it? तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि यहाँ पे तो जीरो नहीं होगा. Yani how many zeros are there? There will be no zeros in this product. Is that okay? Now let us move ahead and find out how many zeros are there in 24 into 27. Now try to understand this. 24 का जब आप prime factorization करते हो तो ये आता है 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 1, and this number is 3 to the power 3. So in total, if I do the entire prime factorization, this is going to be nothing but 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Is that okay? कितने सारे 2 दिख रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पे, 3, और कितने सारे 5 दिख रहे हैं आपको, कोई भी नहीं. अब अगर कोई 5 है ही नहीं है तो जीरो बनेगा कैसे? So what does that mean? This product will not be having any zero at the end of it. Is that okay? Now let us move to the next very simple problem. Now here is a possibility that you can get 0. अब आप इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करोगे 24 का, तो 24 जैसा मैंने बताया, अगर किसी को प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन भाई समझ में नहीं आता है तो प्लीज डू इट ऑन योर ओन. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्न सिंस इन आवर चाइल्डहुड, राइट? ये हम कब तक ये करते जाते हैं, जब तक हमारे को एक यहाँ पे मिल नहीं जाता, राइट? और हम क्या बोलेंगे, फिर बोलेंगे 1 2 and 3. So 2, this is going to be 2 to the power 3 and this is going to be 3 to the power 1. Is that okay? How many over here 125, if you know, is nothing but this is 25 and this is 5 and this is 5. So every time, so what is that we are having? Try to understand, we are having 5 to the power 3, and how many 2's are we having? 2 to the power 3. As I said that when you're talking about number of zeros, you are not going to talk about any other prime number. You will be focusing only on 2 and only upon 5. So how many 2's are there? 3. And how many 5's are there? 3. So how many zeros are going to be there? Exactly 3. Do you understand this? I hope you're getting this. This problem, try to solve it on your own, right? You can do it. Pause the video, solve it on your own and see if you can do it. Try to understand what is that we are going to do. We are going to look for 2 and 5, nothing else. This number has got how many 5's? Obviously it is not going to have 2's. how many 5s? So can I say this is 25 into 7? So that is what 5 is to power 2, isn't it? Now here no 2 and no 5. Do the prime factorization, and over here try to understand this. If I do the prime factorization of this number, this is going to be 2 into 281. Are you getting that? 562 is 2 into 281. So in total 281. If you do the prime factorization further, if it could be done, there will be no possibility of getting 2 and 5. तो आप क्या करोगे? आप यहीं पे रुक जाओगे, और अगर आप यहीं पे रुक गए तो इसका मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे देखो 5 कितना आ गया, टोटल 5 आया 3, और हाउ मेनी 2s आर वी हैविंग? वी हैव ओनली 1 2. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब हो गया कि इस नंबर के लास्ट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक 0 आएगा. इसको ना मैं क्या करता हूं, आपको मैं करके दिखाता हूं इस चीज को, सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टॉक अबाउट. जैसे अगर मैंने कैलकुलेटर खोल दूं यहाँ पे, अब आप देखना यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज 175 इंटू 127 इंटू देन आई हैव गॉट 562. नाउ सी दिस नंबर. If you can see this number, how many zeros I am having at the end of it? We have got only 1 0, and that is what I am telling you. If the questions are going to ask you how many zeros, don't do this. Don't multiply. You just do the factorization, find out 2 and 5, and your job is done. Now we are moving ahead to the next problem. My assumption is that you know as to how to find out what is the value of a factorial. What is the meaning of 4 factorial? 4 factorial का मतलब होता है 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, isn't it? So what you do is you start with 1 and till that number आप उन सारे के सारों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हो, and that is how you get factorials. Is that okay? अब आप यहाँ पे देखो, अगर 4 factorial को अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई भी कर दोगे तो ये आएगा 24. बट आप यहाँ पे देखो ना, आपके पास में 2 तो है, बट आपके पास में 5 है क्या? आपके पास में 5 तो नहीं है, और अगर 5 ही नहीं है तो फिर 0 कहां से आएगा? तो पूरा का पूरा केस बिल्कुल सिंपल हो गया. नाउ 5 factorial, try to understand this. 5 factorial is going to be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. How many 5s we are having? Only 1 5. And how many 2s we are having? We are having 1 2 here, and we are having 1 2 here. Is that okay? So how many 2s I am having in this problem? I am having a total of 3 2s, but how many 5s I am having? Exactly 1. So how many zeros will be there at the end of it? 0. You know what? 5 factorial is 120. So how many zeros I am having? I am having exactly 1 0. Why is that I am having exactly 1 0? Because नंबर ऑफ 2 कितने हुए? 3, और नंबर ऑफ 5 कितना हुआ? सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 हुआ. Is that okay? Now let us move ahead. I have got this number for you. 9 factorial. अगर आप देखो ना, 9 factorial को क्या करते हो आप? 1 2 3, आप क्या करते हो? You multiply all these natural numbers up to 9. Where you will have 2, you will have 2, where 2 4 6 and 8. So you know that number of 2s तो बहुत सारे मिलने वाले हैं हमारे को, बट 5 कितना मिलने वाला है? 5 तो सिर्फ एक ही मिलेगा भाई. 2 मिलेगा कहाँ? 2 की टेबल पे 2 4 6 8 10 12 so forth and so on. And where you will have 5, you will have 5 in the table of 5. But यहाँ पे 9 factorial में 5 के बाद में तो सीधे 10 आएगा, and 10 is not there. So what does that mean? How many 2s are there? How many 2s are there? They are way more than that of number of 5. नंबर ऑफ 5 कितना? 1. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? नंबर ऑफ 0 कितने हो गए यहाँ पे? नंबर ऑफ 0 हो गया exactly 1. Concept is very simple. This is the problem that you need to solve, and you need to tell me how many zeros are there at the end of this number. And you know what? यहीं पे बहुत सारे लोग गलती कर जाते हैं. क्यों करते हैं भाई पता नहीं मेरे को, बट आप देखो ना, बड़ा सिंपल सा प्रॉब्लम है. 5 फैक्टोरियल के लास्ट में आपको ये तो पता चल गया ना कि 5 फैक्टोरियल के लास्ट में इट इज गोइंग टू बी 1 0. इज दैट ओके? And at the end of 6 factorial, again you will be having 1 0. 1 0 at the end of 5 factorial, and at the end of 6 factorial you will be having one more 0. Now there are people who will say that okay, this is gonna have 2 zeros, which is a wrong answer. Why this is going to be a wrong answer is this. अगर आप देखो ना, कोई ऐसे दो नंबर मल्टी ऐड करो, आप 120 को 130 से ऐड करो और नंबर कितना आएगा? 250 आएगा। बड़ा सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है ये भाई। 120 में हाउ मेनी जीरोस आर वी हैविंग? 1। 130 में हाउ मेनी जीरोस आर वी हैविंग? 1। जब इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो इन दोनों का एडिशन में कितने सारे जीरो आएगा? एग्जैक्टली 1। सो जब भी एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जाएगा 5 factorial plus 6 factorial, there will be two options and majority of the people will say there are 2 zeros. No, there are not 2 zeros. There are exactly 1 zero at the end of this sum, right? अगर हमारे को नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम जैसे कि मल्टीप्लाई करना हो जाए भाई, 5 फैक्टोरियल और 6 फैक्टोरियल को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितने जीरो आएंगे? अगर आपको ये बात समझ में आती है कि इस नंबर के लास्ट में तो बहुत सारा एक बड़ा नंबर होगा और उसके लास्ट में एक जीरो होगा, यहाँ पे 6 फैक्टोरियल में क्या होगा? एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर होगा और उसके लास्ट में एक जीरो होगा और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आप। अब जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तब आप बोलोगे कि भाई इसके लास्ट में तो 2 जीरो आएगा। इज दैट ओके? Similarly, the way I was doing 120 into 130, if you multiply 120 into 130, 12 into 13 is 156 और ये आंसर होगा उसका। इसका कितने सारे जीरो दिखे आपको? यहाँ पे 2 जीरो दिखे, तो यहाँ पे कितने सारे जीरो आपको दिखने चाहिए? यहाँ पे आपको 2 जीरो दिखने चाहिए। So what I'm gonna do is, because we are keeping length of videos very short, the concept is not finished yet. We just have started with the concept. It is way too much. We will take 2 or 3 videos to finish this particular concept. तो आप क्या करो, this is gonna be the part 1. आप इसके बाद में part 2 जो वीडियो है इसकी नंबर ऑफ जीरोस की, उस वीडियो को जाके देखो and continue with your concept, right? Only then you will be able to solve the competitive examination questions of number of zeros. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. बड़े आराम से पढ़ाई करो। the new and you know what, the other day I was thinking कि नाम क्या रखेंगे हम इसका, क्या बोलेंगे हम अपने आप को? हमने ये लोगो तो लगा लिया यहाँ पे, तो then we came with the name aptitude on YouTube, right? With this hashtag we will be putting all those videos and we need your support, constant support, and sometimes we also be needing your advice. Let us see where we go with your support. Keep watching, keep learning, and aptitude on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching this.